So how do you change the App Store country on your iPad Pro, but essentially any iPad for that matter? Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe right now because you don't want to miss videos like this one. Essentially, you just need to open up the App Store like that and just click on your profile picture. It should appear in the top right corner. So this will make your account appear like that. So just tap on your name and the profile again. You may be asked to scan your face to authenticate yourself, but once you get inside of this section, you have the ability to click on the country/region section and switch to a different country. So it is really that simple, right? You can just switch it like that, but there are some caveats or things to know, because if you have any payment method attached to the old region or any other subscription in place, like you have the Apple Music, for example, or anything going on, well, you have to cancel it all before you can switch to a different region, right? So it is technically simple, but just clicking on, different button, but there are some things to keep in mind. Like if you switch to a new region, you have to type in your address, like you have to give in the information about your credit card. I mean, you don't really have to, but if you want to buy stuff, then you need to add the information right there. So it is a bit more of a process, but it is most definitely doable. And in principle, it's pretty simple, right? So these are all of the things that you need to know about it. This is where you need to click, but let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it successfully. And if you have any other questions, leave them below as well. Thanks a lot. I hopefully get to see you later in the future tutorials. So yeah, see you then.